Good morning. Chapter Straight Lines, exercise 10.3, question number 14. The question is, find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular from the point -1, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. So we can draw two perpendicular lines. This perpendicular let A be this point and B be this, and this point is P, and it is given from the point -1, 3. So this P point is -1, 3. Okay, and the AB equation is 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, and these two lines are perpendicular, and this point is Q.
Sir, we can take the perpendicular point as A, B.
No, -1, this Q point will
Yes,
find.
sir.
Okay, no need to take because we will find Q point. And first you have to find PQ equation. PQ equation, if you know, then by solving these two lines, PQ and AB, we will get the coordinate of Q. Okay, that is foot of perpendicular. Okay, so first you find the slope of the line AB. Okay, so
Sir, it will be B minus 3 by A plus 1.
so slope of the line, slope of the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0 is so 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. So find y.
Sir, minus 4y is equal to 16 minus 3x. So, sir, we can take then 4y.
Okay.
Sir, 4y is equal to 3.
So 4y equal to 3x minus 16. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, y is equal to 3 by 4x minus 16 by 4.
So y equal to 3 by 4x minus 16 by 4. Okay. Therefore slope equal to
3 by 4.
Slope equal to 3 by.
Sir, 3 by 4.
Okay. This is the slope. Now let M be the slope of the line PQ. Okay. Let M be the slope of the line PQ.
So, sir, m1 into 3 by 4 is equal to minus 1 because the lines are perpendicular.
Yes. Use perpendicular condition. Two lines are perpendicular. So M into 3 by 4 equal to minus 1.
Sir, m will be equal to minus 4 by 3.
Okay. Now find the equation of the line PQ. Okay. So use slope intercept form because one point is -1, 3 and slope is -4 by 3. Okay. So therefore the equation of the line, equation of the equation of the line PQ. PQ is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of the line PQ. Now y minus, so y1 is 3, y1 is 3,
Yes, sir.
and m is minus 4 by 3, and x minus x1 is minus 1, that is minus minus plus 1. Okay, so cross multiply 3y minus 9 equal to minus 4x
Minus 4x minus 4.
minus 4. So 4x
Sir, 4x plus 3y minus 9 plus 4 is equal to 0.
plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so it is 4x plus 3y
Minus 5 is equal to 0.
minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so 4x plus 3y equal to 5. Okay, now this equation and the given equation, okay, we have
So
to
we can use the substitution method or so elimination.
any method. Okay, now solve the equations. Solve the equations 3x minus 4y equal to 16 and
Yes, sir.
this is number 1,
Sir, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5.
and 4x plus 3y equal to 5. Okay, this is 4x plus 3y equal to 5. This is number 2. Okay, so multiply equation 1 by 3, then 3 into 4 12y, and equation 2 by
Yes,
4.
sir.
Okay, so if we multiply equation 1 by 3, so it will be 9x minus 12y equal to 48, and equation 2 by 4, so 16x plus 12y equal to 20. Okay, so plus 12y minus 12y cancel, 16 and 9. Okay, by adding 16 and 9, 25, x equal to 68. Okay, clear up to this?
Sir, x is equal to 60. Yes, sir. Sir, x is equal to 68 by 25.
So x equal to 68 by 25. Okay, now
Now we can substitute the value of x.
yes, so now write 3x minus 4y equal to 16. 3x minus 4y equal to 16. Okay, equation is 3x minus 4y equal to 16, and x is, so 3 into x is 68 by 25. Okay, minus 4y equal to 16. Okay, so 3 into 68 multiply,
Sir, 204.
4 by 25 minus 4y equal to 16. Okay, so minus 4y equal to 16 minus 204 by 25. Okay, so this equal to minus 4y equal to LCM, 25 is the LCM, 25 and 16 into 25, it is
Sir, 400.
400 minus 204. Okay, so minus 4y equal to, it is 400 minus 204, that is 196
Sir, 196.
by 25. By 25, so
Yes, sir.
equal to, so y equal to minus 196 by 25 into 1 by 4. Okay, into 1 by
Sir,
4.
4 will divide 196 by 49. So, sir, it will be minus 49 by 25.
9, 49. So
Yes, sir.
y equal to minus 49 by 25.
Yes, sir.
49 by 25. Okay. Therefore, the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular, that is q. Okay. So q equal to x is 68 by
68
25
by 25.
and y is
Minus
minus
49 by
49 by
25.
25. Okay. So this is the foot of perpendicular, coordinate of the foot of perpendicular. Okay, which is the coordinate of, okay, it is clear,
Yes, sir.
which is the coordinate of foot of perpendicular. Okay,
Yes, sir.
next see question number 15. The perpendicular from the origin, the perpendicular from the origin to the line y equal to mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c meets it at the point minus 1 comma 2. Find the value of m and c. Okay, so perpendicular from the origin to the line y equal to mx
So,
plus
sir,
c.
the point is 0,
Yes, meets it
0,
at the
0 and minus 1, 2.
1 comma 2. Find the value of m and c. Okay, so So this point is P 0 0 from the origin, and Q is Q minus 1 comma 2, this point, okay, and this is B and this is A. Okay, so equation of the first to find, okay, slope of the line PQ, then if
Yes, sir.
or directly you can find equation of the line PQ, equation of the line PQ. So slope of the line PQ, find slope of the line PQ, slope of the line PQ, slope of the line PQ equal to,
Sir, 0 minus 2 by 0 plus 1.
okay, that means 2 minus 0 by minus 1 minus 0. So
Yes,
this
sir, it will be minus 2.
is minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So slope is minus 2.
Yes,
Now,
sir, another slope we can find by the formula, sir, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 because they are perpendicular.
because these two are perpendicular, so let m be the slope.
Yes, sir.
Let m be the slope of the line AB, of line AB. Now use perpendicular condition, m into minus 2 equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir. So m is equal to 1 by 2.
M equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now equation.
Yes, sir.
Now find
So
the
now we can put it in the formula y is equal to mx plus c.
Now equation first has to find equation of the line AB. Equation of the line AB. Now equation of the line AB. Equation of the line AB. So equation of the line AB having slope is 1 by 2 and one point is minus 1 comma 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is y minus y1. Y1 is 2. 2 equal to half into x minus 1, that is x plus 1. Okay. Slope point form. Okay. So it is
Yes, sir.
2y minus 4 equal to x plus 1. So 2y equal to, so write x plus 1 equal to 2y minus 4. Okay. Then x minus 2y. So y equal to mx plus c form you write, no? So x
Yes, sir.
plus 5 equal to 2y. That means 2y equal to x plus 5. So y equal to,
So y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 2 by 5.
plus 5 by 2. Plus 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is m? M equal to. So comparing with y.
So 1 by 2.
Yes, comparing with y equal to mx plus c.
So c will be equal to 5 by 2.
So we get m equal to 1 by
So
2
1 by 2.
and c equal to 5 by
5 by 2.
Okay, 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Find the value of m and c. Yes, m equal to half and c equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Question.
Yes, sir.
Clear it is? All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
P origin 0 0 it is given and Q point is given. So first you find the slope of the line PQ, then slope of the line AB. Because these two lines are perpendicular, then you can find the slope of AB, then equation of AB. Okay, equation of AB in the form y equal to mx plus c, then you will get m and c. Okay. Next, question number 16. If P and Q are the P and Q are the length of perpendiculars from the origin. From the origin to the lines. To the lines x cos theta minus y sin theta. Y sin theta equal to k cos 2 theta. X cos theta minus y sin theta equal to k cos 2 theta and x sec theta plus y cosec theta equal to k. Prove that p square plus 4q square equal to k square. Okay, so use the perpendicular distance formula and point is 0 0 origin. Okay, two lines are given, so point and line. Okay, so perpendicular from the origin to the line, perpendiculars from the origin 0 0, from the origin, that is 0 0, okay, to the line. To the line x cos theta minus y sin theta minus k cos 2 theta equal to 0 is, okay, use the formula perpendicular distance. So it is given question, it is P. Okay, so P equal to, so put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, that means 0 minus k cos 2 theta. Okay, this divided by under root x coefficient is cos theta, that is cos square theta, plus y coefficient minus sin theta, so its whole square is sin square theta. Okay, mod. So put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, because point is 0 0.
Yes, sir.
So P equal to, this means P equal to, so mod value positive, k cos 2 theta.
Sir, k cos 2 theta divided by 1.
Divided
Because
by
the
what?
cos square
Okay.
Yes, sir. So
this-
cos square
so
plus
this
theta
is,
plus sine square theta is equal to 1.
yes. So this is number one. K cos 2 theta p equal to. Okay. Now from another equation, perpendicular from origin, from origin 0, 0 to the line x sec theta plus y cosec theta minus k equal to 0 is, okay, x sec theta plus y cosec theta minus k is, so it is given q equal to, perpendicular distance is q, so q equal to, put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, that means 0 plus 0 minus k divided by under root x coefficient is sec
Sec
theta
square, so sec square theta plus cosec square theta.
plus cosec square theta mod. Okay. Now q equal to, mod value is positive, so q equal to k by simplify this, sec square theta means 1 by
1 by cos square theta.
1 by cos square theta plus cosec square theta is 1 by
1 by
square
sine
theta.
square theta.
Okay. Now LCM is cos square theta into sin square theta. So q equal to ky under root sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta
By cos square theta into sine square theta.
okay. Now
So it will be k by under root 1 by cos square theta into sine square theta.
q equal to ky under
So
root
under root 1 by cos square theta into sine square theta.
1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. Okay. Now 1 by cos means sec. So it is sec theta into cosec theta. This equal to q equal to
Yes, sir.
k by and 1 by
7 by sec theta into cosec theta.
1 by cos square theta sec square theta and under root sec square theta is sec theta. So sec theta
Yes.
into cosec theta and 1 by sec theta means 1 by sec theta means
Cos theta.
k cos theta into sin theta. Okay, sin theta. Now take 1 by 2 into 2, k by 2 into 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is the formula, sin 2 theta, is it? So k by 2
Yes, sir.
into sin 2 theta. Okay, so equation number 2. This is q equal to. Okay, now question is prove that p square plus 4q square. So write now p square plus 4q square equal to p square plus 4q square equal to, so p equal to, we got, what is p? P equal to k cos 2 theta.
Yes, sir.
So p square is k square cos square 2 theta plus 4 into q square is k square
So
by
k
4,
by 2.
k square by 4 into sin square 2 theta. Okay, and this 4 cancel. Okay, and take common k square.
Yes, sir.
K square common, cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta, and this is 1. So k square
Yes,
is
sir.
1, it is k square. Okay, so therefore
Yes, sir.
p square plus 4q square, p square plus 4q square equal to k square. It is proved.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Practice all, need practice. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.